morning, everybody. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has remained at 47, frozen in a state of market Bitcoin dominance is 47.8%, 24-hour volume, 27 billion. The overall market cap, 1.05 trillion. If I take 100 million. Well, it almost feels like we're getting a last push of a crypto winter storm blowing through the markets. Although we are essentially at where we left off last week, it wasn't without its bearish paw prints, but we talked about this very thing happening on our last video. So it should have come as no surprise to anyone in this boutique community when Bitcoin price action, well, she took a little dive. And I say if she does play out, it would be to 25.3-ish. The angelic voices of the children's choir of enchanted wicks, letting us know that a wick has been sacrificed to the gods of wickedness down at 25.2. Oh, snap. That's a bearish corroboration with the bear flag and, well, continued bearish pressure could see us test our descending channel support down at, oh, snap. 25.2, that's Tri-Delta Gamma corrobs on that level. Lord love a duck. She didn't do just that. After dipping underneath all three moving averages, price action fell, finding a bottom and a bounce, 25.3, and has rallied back to, at time of production, 26K. But that does put us outside of our channel of eternal monotony, and I'd like to tuck back in there at 26.2. My heartbreakingly optimistic outlook for the week would be to first rally back up to the 200 moving average, 26.8. She's so darn tootin'. Retest our channel's resistance up at 27.6. This is the 4-hour chart, and she's a what? That's right. She's a noisy little so-and-so. Now over on the ding-dong, we have also firmly broken down and out of our channel of eternal monotony, but she's really just a tale of Fibonacci retracements, as the last little bit of consolidation was up at the 38.2% retracement, and all these wicks of late are at the 50% retracement. So pianomattyb, doesn't that still leave the 61.8% fib retracement level? And yes, it does, and thanks for asking. The goldenest of golden ratios, 61.8% fib, would take us down to 24.1, don't you know? And could break us down and out of our descending channel, which historically breaks bullish, but she sure don't feel bullish lately, and hasn't, in my opinion, for a couple months now. Whoa, A minor 7th at the 9. You sneaky little so-and-so. Quick look at the Wookiee. Sees we did get our first candle close underneath the 200 and the 20 moving average, which is exactly where we don't want to be. Remember last video we said above her, we're bullish. Below her, well, she's not so peachy. That's where we sit. So I'd like to close this week's candle back up above the 200 at 26.5, which would be the 50% fib level. So the fibs are playing some key roles in support and resistance on all charts. But it's a big week here, my friends, fundamentally speaking, that is. We have the CPI, or Consumer Price Index, coming out tomorrow, which is the government's basket of lies in which they gaslight you into believing inflation is either up or down, depending on the narrative and actions they take or make off of it. Then Wednesday, we have the FOMC meeting where old Scotch on the Rocks, booze breath Jerry Pow Pow will either pause the rate hikes or continue, but it's the opinion of this piano that this week's political theater and rhetoric does have the potential to blow a bullish powder keg sky high. Even amongst old dirty Gary Gensler's rabid attempts to render the American crypto industry an innovation dud, a financial fugazi, if I may be so bold, and handcuff the population's ability to make life-changing wealth so we can escape the financial prison they have spent their lives and careers building around us. Would you look at that, my friends? The sun's up. It's another beautiful day here on planet Earth. A day we're not guaranteed. We're not guaranteed these days, but we're lucky enough to have them anyway. So get out there and knock them dead. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected leads. And that's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. Or on the banks of boom to spank, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa, ching. Make sure you like and subscribe and share